Want to check if your iPhone's been hacked? First, watch for odd behavior. Apps opening or closing by themselves, endless you've been hacked pop-ups, spam calendar invites, or a sudden drop in battery life and spike in data usage. If you see a scammy browser warning, don't tap it. Instead, open Settings, tap Safari, turn on Block pop-ups and fraudulent website warning, then tap Clear History and Website Data. Next, secure your account and privacy. Open Settings, tap your name, review the device list and remove anything unfamiliar. Under Password and Security, enable two-factor authentication and change your password. To stop apps from spying, go to Settings, tap Privacy, choose Camera or Microphone, and turn off any untrusted apps. Still having trouble? Force restart your iPhone by pressing Volume Up, then Volume Down, then holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. For a deeper fix, back up and restore your phone in iTunes or update iOS in recovery mode. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe for more quick fixes.